So now we know what static head loss is, and that is, a reminder, the difference in height between the bottom of the water tank and the faucet or water meter at the location where your water is being coming out of the tap. But we also have what's called a dynamic head loss. And dynamic head loss is the friction on water as it moves through the distribution system. In other words, it's pipes, the fittings, which could be elbows, T's, reducers, etc., or any pumps that might be in the way, equipment-wise. And there's two components to this dynamic head loss. There's major head loss, which is associated with the friction per the length of the pipe. And then there's minor head loss, which is what's associated with the bends, the fittings, valves, so on and so forth. Now, to calculate the minor losses, we're going to go to the table that's associated with our formula sheet. It's on this page right here. By the way, here's the Haas and Williams constant. So we're going to use this table when we get to the formula. But down here is the equivalent length of generic fittings, and this is what we want to go for. Screwed fittings, we're not going to mess with at all, so you don't even have to think about this one. But we have flanged fittings here, and this is the important one. And you'll see elbows, T's, return bends, valves, and then you'll see the numbers across here, and this is for the diameter of pipes. So those are the things that we're going to be looking for. So this is the chart that we're going to use to calculate these other head losses, these more minor head losses.